AI is a big deal. It's changing the world. AI is in our phones, cars, and homes. It's time to pay attention. AI is like having a super smart assistant. It can help us with everyday tasks. It can also solve complex problems. AI is already changing how we live, work, and play. Remember Rosie, the robot made from the Jetsons? We're getting closer to that reality. Robots are becoming more intelligent thanks to AI. AI-powered robots can now perform tasks that once seemed impossible. They can clean our houses, deliver packages, and even assist with surgery. These robots are becoming more common in factories, hospitals, and even our homes. AI is not just about robots, it's also about making computers think like humans. Scientists are developing AI that can learn, reason, and make decisions. This breakthrough has led to the development of powerful AI systems. These systems can analyze massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. This technology is being used in various fields, from finance to healthcare. AI is now entering the creative realm. AI algorithms can now compose music, write poetry, and even paint pictures. While some may argue that this is not real art, it's undeniable that AI is pushing the boundaries of creativity. AI-generated art is already being sold at auctions and displayed in galleries worldwide. Section 5 AI is helping doctors. AI is revolutionizing healthcare. AI algorithms can now analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and even predict patient outcomes. This technology is helping doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. It's also helping to develop new treatments and cures for diseases. AI is improving patient care and saving lives. Section 6 AI is predicting the future. AI is like a crystal ball, but better. AI algorithms can analyze historical data and identify trends. This allows them to make predictions about the future. This technology is being used in various industries from finance to retail. Businesses are using AI to predict customer behavior, optimize their operations, and gain a competitive edge. Section 7 AI is changing how we work. AI is changing the job market. Some jobs will be automated, but new ones will emerge. AI will create new opportunities for those who are prepared. It's important to adapt and learn new skills. The demand for AI professionals is growing rapidly. By embracing AI, we can create a more efficient and productive workforce. Section 8 AI is raising ethical questions. As artificial intelligence continues to advance at a rapid pace, it is becoming increasingly clear that we must address the ethical dilemmas it presents. These questions are not just theoretical. They have real-world implications that affect all of us. As AI becomes more powerful, it's important to consider the ethical implications. For instance, how do we ensure that AI systems are designed to be fair and unbiased? This is a significant challenge, as biases can be inadvertently built into AI algorithms based on the data they are trained on. We need to ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. This means creating systems that enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. It also involves making sure that AI technologies are accessible to everyone, not just a privileged few. There are concerns about AI bias, privacy, and job displacement. AI systems can perpetuate existing biases if not carefully monitored. Privacy is another major issue, as AI often requires vast amounts of data to function effectively. This data can be misused or fall into the wrong hands, leading to breaches of privacy. Additionally, the rise of AI has led to fears about job displacement, as machines become capable of performing tasks that were once the domain of humans. It's crucial to have open and honest conversations about these issues. We need to engage a diverse range of voices in these discussions, including ethicists, technologists, policymakers, and the general public. Only by doing so can we hope to navigate the complex ethical landscape of AI. We need to establish ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI. These guidelines should be flexible enough to adapt to new advancements in technology, yet robust enough to provide clear direction. They should address issues such as transparency, accountability, and the right to privacy. By setting these standards, we can help ensure that AI is developed in a way that is ethical and beneficial for all of society. Section 9. The future of AI is bright. The future of AI is full of possibilities. As we stand on the brink of a new era, artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment, AI is set to transform the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Imagine a world where AI algorithms can predict natural disasters, allowing us to prepare and mitigate their impact. Or consider how AI can help us understand and combat diseases, leading to breakthroughs in medical research and treatment. From climate change to poverty, AI is being harnessed to address global challenges. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and provide insights that were previously unimaginable. This can lead to more effective strategies for reducing carbon emissions, managing natural resources, and ensuring sustainable development. AI can be a powerful tool for good. It can enhance our ability to make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and drive innovation. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up human potential, allowing us to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and building meaningful connections. Imagine a world where diseases are eradicated, poverty is eliminated, and everyone has access to quality education and healthcare. AI can help us achieve these goals by providing personalized learning experiences, optimizing resource allocation, and developing new treatments and cures, and climate change is reversed. Through advanced modeling and simulation, AI can help us understand the complex dynamics of our planet's climate system and develop strategies to mitigate its impact. This can lead to more resilient communities and a healthier environment for future generations. AI can help us create a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. By leveraging the power of AI, we can build a world that is more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous. The future of AI is not just about technology. It's about harnessing its potential to improve the human condition and create a better world for all. Section 10. We need to be careful with AI. While AI has enormous potential, we need to be cautious. AI is a powerful tool that can be misused. We must ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations for AI. We need to ensure that AI is used for the benefit of humanity, not against it. Section 11. Conclusion: AI is the future. AI is transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, AI is making its mark in every industry. The advancements in AI technology are not just incremental, they are revolutionary. We are witnessing a paradigm shift that is reshaping the very fabric of our society. It's changing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Imagine a world where your personal assistant is an AI that knows your preferences, schedules your appointments, and even suggests what you might like to eat for dinner. AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. Embracing AI is not just an option, it's a necessity. As the world becomes more interconnected and data-driven, the role of AI in processing and analyzing vast amounts of information becomes crucial. Businesses that fail to integrate AI into their operations risk falling behind their competitors. It's essential for organizations to adopt AI to stay relevant and competitive in today's fast-paced world. By understanding AI and its implications, we can harness its power for good. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to healthcare disparities. By leveraging AI, we can develop innovative solutions that improve the quality of life for people around the globe. It's about using AI responsibly and ethically to create a positive impact. We can create a future where AI enhances our lives, solves our problems, and creates a better world for everyone. Imagine a world where AI-driven technologies help us achieve sustainable development goals, reduce poverty, and improve healthcare outcomes. The possibilities are endless, and the future is bright with AI at the helm. Let's embrace the future and unlock the full potential of AI. The journey ahead is filled with opportunities and challenges, but with the right approach, we can navigate this new era successfully. Together, we can build a future where AI serves humanity, driving progress and innovation for generations to come.